Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I hope all reached. Okay, Abhinav Sajan came. Abhinav Sajan. Abhinav Sajan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Abhinav
Good
Sajan.
afternoon, sir.
Did you appear for the PT exam?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I'm current went.
So why you did not? Nobody called me. Your parent also did not call me regarding this. Nobody gave me any information about this. You did not call me after the exam. Why you did not call me? Today I entered your marks. Yes, I was searching for your marks. I did not get any marks from any of the response sheet. So that I thought of asking you. What happened? And if you, why you did not inform me before that you did not submit it? Hmm? Those who couldn't attempt, I sent the link and in the evening. Yes, Abhinav?
Yes,
Abhinav. Sir, what to do, sir? This Abhinav did not attempt the PT exam and nobody called me regarding this. What to
We'll
do,
put
sir?
him as absent. 0. He will not get any marks.
My mother will call you.
Will call means it is last 22nd. It was past 10 or 11 days after that. Now, why should you call me?
You don't see that these are examinations.
Uh,
You want to fail?
Nobody called me. Just now, today I collected their mark yesterday when August 3rd was the date for submitting, no sir. So yesterday I was collecting, I was shuffling their marks. Then I found that Abhinav Sajan's marks were not there. So I thought of asking today whether if it is, sometimes when the submission time mark will go. So I want to make sure that anything happen like that, we have to take the, so you have to submit, he is telling.
If we send you the paper today on WhatsApp, will you do it? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Abhinav, will you do it today? Today I
Yes,
will
sir.
send the link. So today, after the class, after this class I am free. So you tell your mother to call me, okay? Without your parents' information, I will not send the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Abhinav? Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, so today we are, last class we started with estimation, but I am not sure that you are still making some mistakes in that. Estimation, isn't it? Last class Amaya asked me something. Amaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Amaya, you asked me a doubt last class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So when we estimate tens, and after studying estimation rounding off nearest to 100, you will forget estimation of tens, isn't it? So you will mix up both this.
Ma'am,
Yes, children, I will explain it. I will explain. Yes, Ameya? Yes, yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
last class I was not there.
Who is that?
Francis.
Francis. Okay, Francis. I'm explaining. I'm explaining now from the beginning. Okay. Okay. So estimation to the nearest 10. Estimation to the nearest 10. So when you get a number, listen children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have your notes with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, wait. You will get the screen now. Listen children. Estimation to the nearest 10 means when you get a number, if it is 2-digit or 3-digit, look at the unit digit. Unit digit means the last number. If it is less than 5, it will go to the lower tens. And if it is greater than 5, it will go to the upper tens. Clear? This was
Yes,
the rule.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute, children. Wait. The board comes slowly. Okay, children. So if
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
number is 62, if the number is 62, you have to write the lower 10 and the upper 10. 62 is between two tens. What are the two tens?
60 and 70.
60 and 70. Good. So when you write, if the number is 62, you should write the two tens. 62 is between two tens. That is in
60 and
between
70.
60 and
70.
70. Now look at 62. Look at 62. 62 is more closer to which number?
60.
More closer to 60 and 70. We have to go 8 digits, 8 numbers more to reach 70. But 60 only 2 numbers difference. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
for estimating tens, you should look at the last digit 2. If it is less than 5, it will go to the lower 10. What is the answer?
60.
60 is the answer. Okay. Now, if it is 67, what will be the answer?
70.
70.
Write the two tens. Write the two tens, 60 and
60 and
70.
70.
And 67, for 67 you have Altina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
70.
Okay. Then 67 is closer to 70.
70.
Closer to 70. And one more thing, you have to look at the last digit, unit digit. If it is greater than 5, it will go to the upper limit. Greater than 5, it will go to the upper limit. Somebody, will you please mute your mic? Please. Okay. So if it is 67, 7 is greater than 5, so it will go to the upper limit. Okay,
Upper
children?
limit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Amaya, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go move to the estimation to the nearest hundreds. Estimation to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Now look at this nearest 100. See, children, if I am giving one number 156, you are estimating this number to the nearest 100. So when you read the number, when you read this number name 156, what is the lower limit? Lower 100. 156 is between 200.
100 and 200.
My voice is breaking.
Yeah. Who is this?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Maria. Maybe some connectivity issues. See, listen to me
Ma'am, your
carefully.
voice is breaking.
Is this? Maria, listen to me carefully. Maria. Are you Maria? Yes, Maria, listen. Listen. When you read the number name 156, you can understand 156 lies between two hundreds. That is, one is 100 and other is
200.
200. Okay. Now, if we are estimating to the tens, we are looking at the half of 10, that is 5. Okay. Now it is estimation to the nearest 100. So which number? Which number? Nearest 100. So will you you will look at the last one digit or last two digits? Last two digits. That means hundreds, half of 100 is 50. half of 100 is 50. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if it is more than 50, it will go to the upper limit. Less than 50, it will go to the lower limit. So, for nearest 100, you have to look at these two digits. Two digits. For tens, we are seeing only the last digit. But for estimating hundreds, you have to see two digits. Hundreds. Two digits. Clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
instead of only one digit, tens we are looking only at the 6. But hundreds we are looking two digits. Okay, children?
Okay,
so,
ma'am.
156. 56 is greater than 100 or less than 100?
Greater than 100.
Greater than 100. So, which is closer to it?
200.
200 is closer to it. Yes, yes. I'll ask. So, up to this we studied, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
when we are estimating 100, you are mixing up with the estimation 10. That is the main thing. That's why Ameya has got that doubt that day. Isn't it? Isn't it, Ameya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I will give one number. Now, we will estimate nearest 100. After that, we will do both in the same number so that confusion will vanish. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
The notes.
Yes, yes, in the notes. So, first question is estimate to the nearest estimate to the nearest 100. Estimate to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Okay, children.
And we
this
should
is our
write this
question.
in the notes?
Yes. Right. I'll give 3-digit number. After that, I'll give 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, listen. Our first question is 886. 886. So, when you read the number, you will get the lower limit. 800. 800. Read that number loudly. So, you will get the lower limit. 800. 800. So, what is the lower limit?
900.
What is the lower limit? 886.
800.
800. Lower limit is 800. Okay. So, 886 is in between
800 and
900. Good. 800 and 900. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, look at the last two digits. 86. If it is greater than 50, it will go to the upper limit.
Upper limit.
900.
So, look at that. 86 is greater than 50 or less than 50?
Greater than 50.
Greater than 50. So, which number it will be more
900.
closer to it?
900.
900. So, our answer is? Our answer is 900. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I give some more question to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, look at the two digits. For hundreds, you have to look at two digits. Ones digit and tens digits. Okay. Now, I'll give the questions to you. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question is? Second question. 841. Third question. 621. Fourth question. 1435.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 841, you gave the same question in the last class for estimating to the nearest 100.
Okay. So you leave that question. Leave that question. Instead of that, I'll give another question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Did you see the number? Second question I changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 7107.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
So, 4 questions for you. Estimate to the nearest 100. Ameya, look at the question carefully. Estimate to the nearest 100. 100.
100. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, estimate to the nearest 100. We'll do the same question in estimation to the nearest tens also. So, there won't be any mistakes further.
Ma'am, fifth one.
Yes, yes, I'll show the board. Fifth one.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Estimation to the nearest 100. Francis Richard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, write the lower limit and upper limit and look at the 2 digits. If it is greater than 50, it will go to the upper limit. If it is less than 50, it will go to the lower limit. Okay, children, finish. Finish. Shall I ask somebody to tell the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all are doing. Smriti.
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am, your screen.
Yes, 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 yes. Maria.
I can't see, ma'am, what you're writing.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, child.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Geetika, will you tell the answer of the first one? 107?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell the way steps of doing.
Ma'am, first we should find the nearest 100.
Yes, yes. What are they?
100 and 200.
100 and 200. And what is the next step, Geetika?
Ma'am, then we should find if the now 7 is greater than 50
7 is greater than 50 or less than
or
50?
less than 50.
Less
And
than
then
50. So, it will go to
the smaller 100.
smaller 100. That is, answer is?
100.
Answer is 100. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So, now Abhinav Sajan, did you finish writing? Abhinav Sajan? Abhinav?
Ma'am, how was the answer to... Oh, no, nothing.
I finished.
Yes. Answer is? What is the answer of the second one? Answer of this 107? What answer you got? Anybody got any other answer? 100. Okay. So 621. 621. We will do it that. Nihal Mustafa, will you tell?
107. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the steps. Tell the steps.
Ma'am, first we have to look. First we have 600 and 700.
How did you get? Because 621 lies between 200s. What are they?
600.
600 and
621 is below 50.
below 50. So,
Below 600.
so answer is
600.
600. Good. Now, Ananda Krishnan, will you tell the answer? Ananda Krishnan? Ananda Krishnan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you
Ma'am,
tell the answer?
600. 600.
Okay. Third one answer is 600. Will you tell the answer of fourth one?
Ma'am, fourth one, ma'am,
Can I say?
ma'am, 1000 and 2000.
Yes. We are estimating to the nearest 100. Ananda Krishnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ananda Krishnan. You read that number. Read that number.
Ma'am, 1435.
Yes. 1435. So, 1435 between two hundreds. What are they?
Ma'am, 500 and
Listen, children.
400 and
Listen,
500.
children. Listen, children. Look at these two digits. This 35, you have to see ones digit and tens digit. Now listen. Wait. I am explaining. After that, you can ask. Listen, children. 1435. I will tell one clue. You have to look at 35, right? Look at the other two numbers. What are they?
1 and 4.
Ma'am, 1 and
That
4.
is, one is 1400. 1400. Remove that 35 and put 2 zeros. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
1400. And what is the next 100? 1500.
500.
You understand? We are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
estimating thousands. We are estimating hundreds. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1435. 35. Ananda Krishna, will you tell the answer now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1400 and 1500.
500. Did you understand your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1400.
How did you get the answer like that?
Ma'am, because that 35 is lesser than 1500. Sorry, 1000.
35 is less than?
50, ma'am. 1450.
35 is less than 50. 50 only, very simple. Simple 50, okay? No,
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
tell 400, 500 and all.
Ma'am, can we write?
35 is less than 50. So answer is?
Ma'am,
Answer is
1400.
400. Now, Devaganga Santosh, will you tell the answer of fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you explain the steps?
Ma'am, 200, 200, 2546. 2000.
Sorry?
2500 and 2600.
Good. 2500 and 2600. Okay,
Ma'am,
children.
40.
Listen, children. See, I will tell one easy method. See, we are estimating hundreds. So we are looking at 50s, right? So remove that 46. Remove that 46 and instead of that you add 2 zeros. So it is 2500 and 2600. Clear? Now look at 46. 46 is less than 50 or greater than 50?
Great. Ma'am, less than 50.
Less than 50. So lower limit or upper limit?
Lower limit.
Lower limit. Good. So it is, answer is? Answer is
2500.
2500.
2500.
Okay, children. See, after getting the question, listen, children. After getting the question like this, you have to ask some questions to yourself. Okay. You have to ask, this number is between which hundreds? 2 hundreds, one lower limit and upper limit. So then last two digits greater than 50 or less than 50. You should ask yourself and you should find the answer and then write. So that there will not be any mistake. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll give one more question to you. Will you do?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And the question is 9,800 1 minute, children. Let me rub the board. Okay, children. Our question is
Ma'am, sixth question.
9,876.
Ma'am, you are
9,876. 9,876. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have written also.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. 9,876.
I wrote, ma'am.
Okay. Sri Rudra, are you getting the answer?
you are not
Ma'am,
audible.
finished.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Sri Rudra. Am I
Ma'am.
audible? Am I audible properly?
ma'am, your voice is cutting sometimes. Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
Okay. So 9,876. Okay, children. So one easy method is that you have to look at the last two digits. If you are estimating hundreds, look at the last two digits. 76. Okay, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am. Then you remove that 76 and put 2 zeros. Or read the number 9,876. Now you are getting the hundreds properly. 9,800. 9,800. Read 2-3 times. 9,800.
800.
Yeah? So you will get the lower limit. What are they?
9,800 and 9,900.
9,800 and 9,900.
9,900.
Clear. Now you have to look at the last two digits. 76.
More than 50.
Greater than 50 or less than 50?
Greater than 50.
Greater than 50. So it will go to lower limit or upper limit?
Upper limit.
Upper limit.
9,900.
So our answer is 9,900.
9,900.
Now look at this, children. We are estimating this number to the nearest tens now. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Our number is, what is the number? Tell me. What is our number? What is the last number? Tell me. 9,876. Now, Ameya, look at carefully. We are estimating this. Question number is 7, I think. We are estimating 7. We are estimating this to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Now, look at the rule of 10. Remember the rule when we are estimating to the nearest 10. Which digit you will look at? 2 digits or last 2 digit or last 1 digit? We are estimating to the nearest tens. Tens.
Yes.
Yes. Children, we are estimating the number to the nearest 10. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are estimating to the nearest 10. So remember the rules of tens. We are looking at the last 2 digits or 1 digit?
1 digit.
1 digit. So look at the last digit. Look at the last digit. What is the last digit?
6.
Now, you have to write this number between 2 tens. What are the 2 tens? Read the number. 900.
70 and ma'am, 917,
Sorry,
980.
9,800.
70.
9,870. 9,800.
90.
Yes, 9,870 and
9,890.
80.
Who is said it is 90?
80,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. Don't tell, don't scream the answers like this. I'll ask somebody. What is the lower limit? What is the upper tens? Malavika, Bini, what is the upper 10? Malavika? 9,870 and? Malavika, can you hear me? Okay, Ashishuni? Ashishuni, what is the upper limit? Upper 10? If it is 70, what is the next number? Good.
9,880.
9,880. It is not 90. After 70, it will go. It will move to 80, right? Not 90. After 70, it is 80, isn't it?
Yes,
After 70, you will go
Yes, ma'am.
straight to 90.
No, ma'am.
Now, look at the last digit. 6. 6. Okay, children? If it is greater than 5, it will go to the upper limit. If it is less than 5, it will go to the lower limit.
Lower limit.
So, what is the answer of this?
Ma'am,
9,880.
How did you get it? Because 6 is greater than
5.
5. What is the answer?
9,880.
Who is this making loud noise? Okay, Francis, you are making loud noises. Okay, what is the answer of this question? Kanishk? Kanishk, what is the answer of this question?
9,880.
8. Now I'll give the question, 2-3 question. You have to estimate in tens and hundreds both. Will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you will not forget it. Okay, children? Okay, I'll give the question. I'll give the question. Question is, estimate the following numbers. Estimate the following numbers. Following numbers to the nearest tens. Tens and to the nearest hundreds, both.
Estimate the
Hundreds.
numbers to the nearest 10 and to the nearest.
Both. 10 and 100, both.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And first question. First question.
7,615. 5,437.
Yes, ma'am.
And third one. 404.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to do like this. First, you have to do the 100, and second, we have to do the tens.
First you do tens and secondly do the hundreds. Take one question and do tens and do hundreds. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
One question we will discuss. Okay? It is time to wind up, only 3 minutes. So one question we will discuss the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can do the, by next, I have one more period, no? By
Yes,
the
ma'am.
time you have to do it and come.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Both, everything you have to do, hundreds and tens. All the questions. Okay, children, shall we discuss the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first question?
7,615.
Okay, 7,615. So we are doing the first question's answers. First question is 7,615. Clear? So we are doing nearest tens. Nearest tens first. Okay, children, nearest tens. So we'll write that number and write the lower tens and upper tens. Read the number and write.
Ma'am, third one.
First
Can
one.
you show the third one?
Third, wait. Third one is this 404. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
shall we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tens, we are doing tens. So what is the first lower 10?
Ma'am,
7,610.
7,610.
Good. 7,610. And next one after 10, which is the next 10?
20.
7,620.
7,610.
And now you look at the unit digit. Greater than 5, less than 5.
Ma'am, it is
equal to 5.
Equal to 5. I told the rule, if it is equal to 5, it will go to the upper limit, right?
upper limit.
Equal to 5 also, it will go to the upper limit. So what is the answer?
7,620.
620. Okay, children? Now we are estimated to the nearest 100. Shall we do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are doing to the nearest hundreds. Okay, 7,615. What are the 200s?
7,600.
Amaya, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 7,600 and next 100? 7,700. Now look at the two digits. It is 15. If it is less than 50, it will go to the lower limit. If it is greater than 50, it will go to the upper limit.
Ma'am, 15 is smaller than
Smaller
Less
than
than 50. So answer is?
go to 7,600.
So answer is 7,600. Like that, you have to do both the numbers, all the questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall I leave now? It is time to wind up.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. 2 questions you do now itself, and I will ask when I come for the next period.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.